All right, truck and muscle car enthusiasts, buckle up. Today, we're spotlighting a legend, the 1972 Pontiac GTO, and not just any GTO, but one dressed to impress in a rare green-on-green combo. Let's talk power. Under the hood sits a 400 cubic inch V8, delivering a rumbling symphony of raw American muscle. And if you opted for the 4V5 HO engine, you were pushing 300 horses that could leave anyone in your dust. This was Pontiac's bold answer to the muscle car wars of the 70s. The styling, pure aggression, from the Endura front. Bumper, color-matched and seamlessly blended to the dual hood. Scoops ready to devour the pavement, the GTO was built to make a statement. And then there's that green-on-green finish. A verdant green, exterior paired with an olive green interior. It's a bold and unapologetic nod to 70s flair. Turning heads wherever it goes. Inside, it's all about comfort meets cool. The bucket seats, wood grain accents, and Pontiac's signature rally gauges make this cockpit a driver's dream. Whether you're revving at a stoplight or cruising through town, you feel like you own the road. This car isn't just about nostalgia. It's a testament to when cars had soul, personality, and pure horsepower. Let me know in the comments, what's your dream GTO spec? And don't forget to like and subscribe for more automotive legends. This version is a bit richer and slightly longer. Should still fit under 2 minutes for a short. Y'all come and check out the damn Foolz show.